everybody, it's Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority, and today we're going to look at a Chrome extension called Hey List Browser AI. Basically, it's ChatGPT or ChatGPT-like tool. So it's right here. You can find it in the store under Hey List Browser AI, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to check it out. We're going to put it, let's just go right here, and it sits right there. So you just basically open it. Now, as you can see, I've already done some searches in it. It's pretty cool. It's just like ChatGPT. So, let's try something else. Write Boolean X-ray into LinkedIn. Let's just see what that does. Boolean X-ray. Now, part of the problem with the Chat AI and GPT is you got to get used to how to actually get what you want. I may have done it incorrectly. I can help you with Boolean X-ray string LinkedIn. All you need to do is type in your query in the search bar on LinkedIn, adding site:/LinkedIn X-ray. There you go. It answered my question. It told me what I need to do. Just put site:/LinkedIn.com. And that's the truth. And it's right there for you, easy peasy. Don't got to mess with nothing. And there it is. And as you can see, I've also had a list software companies that use ChatGPT, and there's a bunch of them. And even though I misspelled it, it still did it. Create a list Boolean search link for web developer. As you can see, I already did that. And here it is right here, the site command. And then just said site command software developer. So that string's not the way I would write it, but it's a string. And it'll get you the basics. And that's it. The only thing to remember about all ChatGPTs, they aren't going to help you with anything that's new. ChatGPT is basically 2021 and before. So if you're asking for information about something that's brand spank new, may or may not show it for you. It depends on if it's got some basis in the past. That was a big thing that just came out yesterday? No, Friday. So there you go. Nice tool, does it, gets you ChatGPT easy peasy right there in front of you, which is something I'm cool with. And that's it. And again, just so we make sure we got it, it's Hey List Browser AI, and it is a ChatGPT tool. And that's it. My name is Dean DaCosta, Search Authority. May the source be with you.